Good day. Welcome to another video by Chennai brothers. This is video 3 in the Python Basics series. In this video, we're going to talk about the comparison operator and if-else statements. Last video, we talked about the assignment operator. Comparison operator is two equal signs. From last video, the assignment operator is one equal sign. The comparison operator, well, compares. Let's see an example of how that works. So right now we're assigning A to 29, and this is a if-else statement. So basically, if A is equal to 29, there is the comparison operator, two equal signs, and the assignment operator. If A is 29, then print high. That means basically write out high. If that is not what's the case, then write out cool. That's basically what this is saying. So let's see what happens. And in fact, 29 is equal to 29, so it says hi. Bye. This is the end of this video. For more, please like, comment, share, or subscribe. I'll see you again in video 4. This is Chennai Brothers exiting.